Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are hitting the ground running on August 20, 2026. We're dissecting a massive, high-stakes market divergence that is unfolding right in front of us. This is a textbook scenario of split market dynamics, and we're going to tear down the tape to see exactly where the smart money is moving. Let's jump straight into the burning question dominating the trading floors right now. Is BTC truly taking off? Because what we're seeing across the crypto complex is a dramatic, high-volume breakout that's practically forcing everyone to recalibrate their models on the fly. And, while the broader market sweats under macroeconomic pressure, we are tracking phenomenal alpha elsewhere. Case in point, MRVI's epic surge. MRVI Life Sciences just put on an absolute clinic with an explosive double-digit rip, proving that even in a heavily defensive market, there are isolated pockets of extreme momentum. Section 1. The macro setup. Nasdaq under pressure. Okay, so to understand the current breakouts, we first need to establish the defensive posture of the broader market. We're looking at a Nasdaq under heavy pressure from climbing treasury yields, and the sheer precision of this retreat is pretty striking. The composite pulled back exactly 1%, directly testing an absolutely critical support zone. We're talking about a perfect confluence where the 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Band mid-track meet at exactly 26,006.47. The volume on this drop was around 6.36 billion, which actually signals a technical retest of the moving average support rather than an all-out panic dump. Confirming the short-term weakness, the KDJ indicator has plunged into severely oversold territory. The J value is sitting at negative 12.42. For context, anything below zero here indicates extreme short-term exhaustion. It signals a defensive consolidation phase for the indices, basically a classic wait-and-see posture from institutional capital as they grapple with macroeconomic headwinds. Section 2. Alpha Generation, Bitcoin's Parabolic Push. Now here is where the Divergence playbook gets truly fascinating. While the primary indices retreat into defensive shells, high beta assets are going completely parabolic. Bitcoin violently broke out, surging past $72,000 to touch a daily high near $72,969. The sheer force of this move is incredible. It completely shattered long-term resistance, tearing right through the Bollinger upper track at 69,221.03 and slicing effortlessly through the critical 200-day moving average at 69,005.39. This wasn't some slow grind. This was a textbook, single-candle piercing multiple-line setup, driven by daily volume blowing way past the 5-day average. This aggressive price action completely invalidates the previous months of boxed-in sideways consolidation. We are officially out of the chop zone. What the tape is showing us here is aggressive, one-sided institutional accumulation. It's a definitive right-side trend reversal. Capital is forcefully rotating out of stagnant macro-heavy tech and piling directly into crypto assets for that high beta elasticity. Section 3. The Alpha Setup. MRV's epic bottom reversal. Now, this explosive rotation isn't strictly limited to crypto. Over in the life sciences sector, we just witnessed a textbook technical masterclass in bottom fishing. MRVI Life Sciences, ticker MRVI, printed an epic 14.82% bottom reversal. Similar to Bitcoin, we saw a single massive green candle do incredible technical damage to the upside. It pierced straight through the 5, 10, 20, and 50-day moving averages in one swift motion, eventually vaulting right over the Bollinger upper track at 7.633. After a grueling period of grinding along the bottom around the mid-$5 range, this is exactly what a sudden, violent liquidity injection looks like. So, the crucial question you should be asking is, how do we know this isn't a fake out? Well, the answer lies in the volume multiplier. MRVI traded over 12.23 million shares during this session. That is practically quadruple its 5-day moving average volume of roughly 6.8 million, and a massive departure from its 20-day average. When you have price expansion, coupled with a 4x volume explosion off a multi-month floor, you are looking at undeniable institutional footprints. Section 4. Forensic Evidence. A complete indicator deep dive. As professional analysts, we don't just trust price action and raw volume. We always cross-validate with hard technicals. This dashboard clearly illustrates the profound split in today's market. Just look at the Nasdaq. It's suffering a MACD dead cross with a weak RSI and that plunged KDJ we discussed earlier. Now contrast that stark weakness with MRVI printing a fresh, low-level golden cross on the MACD, and Bitcoin showing an explosive KDJ metric hitting an absurd 111.38. It is literally a tale of two entirely different markets operating on the exact same day. But hey, we must remain objective here. There is a crucial warning flag for anyone looking to jump in right now. Momentum is fierce, but it's stretched. Both BTC and MRVI have RSI readings pinned above 90, Bitcoin at 93.21 and MRVI at 90.03. In technical analysis, anything over 70 is overbought. Anything over 90 is practically screaming at you. These assets are extremely stretched in the near term, making them highly susceptible to sudden, sharp profit-taking by early buyers. Section 5. The defensive anchor. Strict risk management. Which brings us to the absolute most important part of any Wall Street trader's playbook. It's not about what you make on these massive rips, it's about what you keep when the music stops. In a market heavily dictated by localized euphoria, like what we are seeing today in crypto and select life science stocks, deploying a strict, emotionless stop loss is absolutely vital to protect your portfolio. You simply cannot afford to let a profitable trade turn into a permanent bag holding situation. So, the operating rules for tomorrow's session are crystal clear. First, absolutely no blind chasing into an RSI above 85. Wait for the hype to cool down. Second, if you're holding Bitcoin, place a hard stop around the $69,000 level, which is that former resistance turned support. If it falls below that, it's a false breakout. For MRVI, if the price breaks below 740 or the 5-day moving average, you cut the trade instantly, no questions asked. Your buy zone should only be on low-volume pullbacks to these newly established support levels. With our defensive stops firmly set, the true test of this market begins tomorrow. Will this extreme divergence, where the Nasdaq bleeds while BTC and MRVI surge, collapse into a classic bull trap as profit-taking sets in? Or are we witnessing the definitive birth of a new, highly localized bull cycle? Keep your alerts set, respect your technical levels, and follow the volume. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next deep dive.